A young father stands before the court, his newborn twins fighting for life in the NICU. He pleads for a chance to be present, to work, to provide, to hold on. But the allegations hanging over him threaten to tear everything away, and the judge is not easily swayed.
Judge Kelly Green for Yvonne Perez.
Just one moment.
Thank you.
All right. Where's Escalante? What page? No, he's not.
Right here.
All right, could I have the motion to revoke on Escalante, please? Mhm. All right, first question. Are you all ready to proceed with the motion to revoke or no?
We would be, but I don't believe they would like to.
We're not the true judge, and setting today was actually first on our motion to set.
Okay, so,
And we conferred about it because he asked us to try to work it out. We just didn't quite get there.
all right. So, Ms. Ferguson, I need a date for a contested hearing, 10 days. All right, your contested hearing is going to be November 10th. Probation, contested hearing on Mr. Escalante, Jose Escalante, November 10th. No problem. And state you'll need to be prepared to have your witnesses present.
Yes, ma'am.
And all right, the court is calling 2024 CR 1359 State versus Jose Escalante. Can I have parties announced for the record?
Melissa Albin for the state.
Raymond Martinez from Mr. Escalante.
All right, and are you Mr. Escalante?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, Your Honor.
And we're here for a bond issue. Is that correct?
Yes.
All right, and state, have you had a chance to confer with the defense on the request for a bond?
Yes, Your Honor. We're recommending $30,000.
All right, and defense, do you have witnesses? I believe you were going to call him.
Just him.
Okay. All right, could you raise your right hand? Do you solemnly swear or affirm the testimony you give will be the truth and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, you can lower your hand, state your name for the record.
Jose Manuel Escalante.
All right, you may proceed, counsel.
Mr. Escalante, first question is, how long have you been in jail?
Up
Roughly.
approximately a week and a half.
And at the time that you were arrested, were you working?
Yes, yes, Your Honor.
And what were you doing for work?
Mambo's Seafood,
And what was your job title there?
dishwasher, maintenance,
Hourly rate?
13.50 an hour.
Did you report your probation? Have you been reporting probation up until the time you got arrested?
Yes. I've been doing everything I've been supposed to be doing.
We'll get into that the next segment, but they've seen you recently.
Yes,
They've tested you recently.
yes,
Okay. Is there an immediate need for you to get out on bond?
yes.
You can tell the judge what that is.
I just had my beautiful daughters born, my two twins. They're twins that were just born.
This month.
Yes.
And where are they?
They're in the NICU right now.
And so would you like to be able to spend time with them and make sure they're okay and help their mother, even though you've got this issue pending?
Yes, sir. It'll be a blessing.
Okay. And at the time you got arrested, did you have money saved in the bank? Was it difficult to even come up with a little bit that you did come up with to get you in front of the judge today to request a bond?
Yes, sir.
Okay. And then are you gonna have to scramble to figure out a way to post a bond if she sets one for you?
Yes.
Okay.
And I still have my job there at Mambo's Seafood.
How long had you been there?
Few weeks.
Okay. And is that the first job you had in a while?
No. Yes, sir. No, sir.
So what were you doing before that?
I was doing my own self business tattooing.
Okay. And so that's still available as well.
Yes, sir.
Okay, and you and the mother are living together,
Yes, sir.
good terms?
Yes, sir.
Um,
I'm sorry.
so if the judge set the bond at 12,000, do you think you could possibly come up with that?
Yes, sir.
Any questions?
Just a couple. Mr. Escalante, yeah, I know you're not pleading true to anything at this time, and that's fine. But at the time of the new arrest that's just alleged in the MTR, were you working?
Yes,
And at the time of the allegations that are in the MTR, was your significant other pregnant?
yes.
Yes, she was pregnant, so that was before the babies were born.
Can you repeat that again?
She was pregnant on the day that you were arrested for this new number one that's alleged
No,
on
ma'am, no,
October
ma'am.
14th.
No, man, we're going back and forth from the hospital for the NICU.
So the kids were already born
Yes,
when
ma'am.
this happened.
Yes, ma'am.
Nothing further, Your Honor.
All right, I just have a few questions. So in the past, have you ever used any type of controlled substance?
In the past, oh, but yes. The past,
All right, and in the past, what would that have been?
the Xanax.
And what else?
Yes. Cocaine,
I'm sorry, what?
cocaine. I apologize.
All right, and I think the last time you were here, you were saying you were going to go in the military and
that's-
have your tattoos removed because
Yes,
they
ma'am.
did it for free.
Yes, ma'am. And I was doing all that and everything like that. I had went to the recruiting office on military, and I was talking to my probation officer, and my probation officer told me to wait on that because she was gonna go and conversate with him and further look into it, because when I went and told them how you gave me the permission and everything like that, they tried to tell me, oh well, you got to go to a different branch because the quota that they met was already over with, so I had to start the quota over in November when they start the new quota, and then they'll be able to accept me and further everything else. Because you gave me that chance, and I took off and I ran with it, Your Honor, and I was doing everything I was supposed to be doing.
Your Honor, may I say something?
Yes.
Normally on a motion to set bond, I would offer you the police report of the new offense, but the court summary summarizes it. So I was just gonna ask if the court would like to see that to understand the circumstances of the new allegations.
Any objection?
Bond hearing judge, so you're allowed to.
No, I'm just, any objections?
I do object, but I understand also the rules allow it, so
Yes. May I approach?
I don't look silly objecting to something.
No. I always tell people to do an objection because my understanding is that this is a summary of what someone read, and it's not necessarily the police report.
Also fair to, when I make it, you are, the way it's before the court now is not gonna be its fine.
Despite emotional pleas, the judge raises the bond and restricts Escalante's life to monitored movement and distance from children. Then, another case begins. A quiet defendant facing serious felony drug charges. But this time, the decision will not come today, and the sentencing that awaits may change his future
All right.
forever.
Is there anything else?
No, you're welcome.
All right, this is what the court is going to do. The court is going to set your bond at $40,000. There's to be partial GPS for employment and medical appointments, waive GPS fees. There's to be no residing in household with minors. And there's to be no unsupervised contact with minors. All right, thank you.
Will
Yep.
that partial allow him to go visit the kid?
Yes,
Thank you. Thank you.
all right. You're welcome. It'll have to be done through pre-trial. Mhm. Yes, thank you.
Yeah.
Kelly Green, are you ready? Kelly Green. All right, who's next?
Both. Yes, we're ready.
All right. I was like, what? All right, John Anthony Cruz. And this is an application?
It is, Judge.
I'm sorry,
Probation,
Judge,
this
I'm
is an
ready.
Application. Court is calling 2025 CR 008006, State versus John Anthony Cruz. Can I have parties announced? For the
Charles Buck for
state?
Mr. Cruz.
All right, and for the state? And are you Mr. Cruz?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. Counsel, you received all discovery. Did you review it with your client?
I did.
Court will find that the state is in compliance with discovery. Mr. Cruz, did you review the application for community supervision with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, Your Honor, I did.
And did you sign it?
Yes, Your Honor, I did.
Did you review the true bill of indictment with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, Your Honor.
Counsel, do you waive the reading of the indictment?
We do, Judge, and we do not object to proceeding on count 2 with the state waiving count 1 and the enhancements.
Any state, is that what you're doing?
We are
Yes.
waiving the enhancement and we are proceeding on count 2 and we're waiving count 1. Yes, Your Honor.
All right, Mr. Cruz, did you review the court admonishments with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes, Your Honor.
The state is proceeding on count 2, possession of a controlled substance, penalty group 1B, 4 to 200 grams. That's a second-degree felony. Range of punishment is anywhere from 2 to 20 years in prison and up to a $10,000 fine. If you have a plea bargain agreement with the state, the court does not have to follow your plea. If for any reason the court does not follow your plea and gives you more than you bargained for, the fact that you entered a plea will not be used against you, and you will be allowed to withdraw your plea. Did you understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
You have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses. The state would call in the right to remain silent. By entering this plea, you're giving up those rights. Did you intend to give up those rights and enter into a plea in this case?
No.
All right, so let me say that again. You understand you have a right to jury trial. You're giving up that right by entering this plea. Is that what you want to do?
Yes, Your Honor.
You have a right to remain silent. You're giving up that right by entering into this plea. Is that what you want to do?
Yes, Your Honor.
You have a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine any witnesses the state would call. You understand? You're giving up that right
Yes, Your Honor.
and entering into this plea.
Yes, Your Honor.
Is that what you want to do?
Yes, Your Honor.
Counsel, has your client been able to provide you with any defenses? Do you believe he has a rational as well as a factual understanding of the charges against him?
I do.
Do you believe he's currently competent and was legally sane at the time of the offense?
Absolutely.
Mr. Cruz, has anyone threatened you, coerced you, or placed you in fear to get you to enter the plea?
No, Your Honor.
Anyone promised you anything other than the plea?
No, Your Honor.
Satisfied with the way you've been represented?
Yes, Your Honor.
If you're not a U.S. citizen, you will be deported, denied naturalization, or re-entry. Did you understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived his right to jury trial. Did you review the plea bargain page with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, Your Honor.
According to the plea, punishment is to be assessed at a cap of 10 years in the prison. There's a $1,500 fine. The state is opposed to your application of community supervision. There's no application for deferred adjudication, and the state is proceeding on count 2. Did you understand that to be the plea?
Yes, Your Honor.
Defense?
Yes, Judge.
State?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you review the waiver of appeal paragraph with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in both places?
Yes, Your Honor.
By signing that, you're waiving your right to appeal. The only items that can be appealed are written pretrial motions that have been filed, heard, and ruled upon by the court. Did you understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
Counsel, have there been any such motions?
No, Judge.
Then to count 2 in the indictment, how do you plea?
Guilty.
State any evidence.
State offers into evidence states exhibit 1 with its attachment.
No objections.
Mr. Cruz, did you review the waiver and stipulations with your attorney? Did you understand it? Did you sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes, Your Honor, I do.
Again, did you understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call and the right to remain silent?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you understand that today the state will be presenting evidence in the form of witnesses' statements and police reports, but most importantly, there'll be no live testimony? Did you understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived and consented to stipulation of testimony and stipulations. Court will accept into evidence states exhibits 1 and attachments and review the same. After reviewing states exhibits 1 and attachments, the court will find there is sufficient evidence to find you guilty, and the court will find you guilty. Counsel, if you would like, we can set this for a sentencing date with a PSI, or if,
December 11th, Judge.
all right. And you're requesting a PSI?
Yes, Judge.
All right, so we'll be back on December 11th. At that time, I'll make a decision on your application based upon any evidence that's presented. Do you understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, good luck to you. Thank you.
Judge. Yes, please.
Yes, and tap evaluation.
Judge, it's Kelly Green. I'm ready on Yvonne Perez.
Yvonne Perez.
The courtroom opens with tension, heavy with the weight of real-life consequences. Jose Escalante stands before Judge Stephanie Boyd, his voice steady yet strained. He has recently become a father to newborn twins, both struggling in the NICU. His work at a restaurant, his attempts to follow probation, his efforts to join the military, they paint a picture of a man trying to pull himself forward. Yet the state raises allegations of new offenses, violations, and relapse into old patterns. The judge listens carefully, balancing compassion with responsibility. She questions his past behavior, his intentions, and the reality of commitments made and broken. Escalante pleads for a bond he can afford, desperate to return to his children. But the judge sets the bond at $40,000, imposes GPS monitoring, and restricts contact with minors. The courtroom moves on. Next comes John Anthony Cruz. He stands quietly, acknowledging guilt to a serious drug charge. His rights are explained, his options narrowed. The weight of his past decisions is now undeniable. The plea caps his punishment at 10 years, but the final choice rests with the judge. A future hearing will determine whether he walks into prison or toward probation and rebuilding. 2 men, 2 crossroads. The courtroom does not offer easy answers, only accountability, choice, and consequence. Justice is not always loud. Sometimes it is simply